Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we will start our third exercise, which is 2.3, in which we will learn how to solve indices and expressions. There are some basics rules to solve indices in which we have to solve variables with powers so to find the answers. Suppose there are three rules which we will discuss, in which when the variables are the same basis and they have power, whenever variables are multiplying with same basis, we simply add their powers. So if x power a is multiplied with x power b, our answer will be x power a plus b. And whenever two variables are divided with the power the same basis, they will be minus. So x divided by a divided by x power a divided by x power b will be x power a minus b. The third rule is whenever there is a bracket between two powers, the powers will be multiplied. So in third rule, a power b will be multiplied with ab. So the value will be x power ab. So these are three basics rule which will help you out to solve this exercise. So we'll move to the exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3, question number 1, they are saying copy and complete. You have to complete these expressions when x power 4 multiplied by x power 5. As we know, whenever we multiply variables with same variables and powers, the powers will be added. So 4 plus 5 will be 9. So the answer of part A is x power 9. In part B, 2 plus 4 will be 6. Part C, as it is a division sign, so here we will subtract 8 minus 6 will be 2. Whenever there is a division sign, we will subtract 5 minus 1. Whenever there is no power, we assume that there is always 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now where there is bracket, we will multiply the powers 3 to the 6 and 5 12 the 60. And in part G, when we have constant with variables, we will add them. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Okay, and the will not multiply the powers because the powers are not these two express terms are not multiplying with each other. If they were multiplying, then we will multiply 5 with 3 and then we will add power. As these two expressions are not multiplying, they are just adding. So 5m3 plus 3m3 will be 8m3. So similarly 8n square minus n square will be 7. 8 minus 1 will be 7. So the answer will be 7n square. Okay, so now we'll move to question number 2. Simplify each expressions. We have to simplify them. Whenever terms are multiplying the same variables, we will add the powers. So m, it will be m power 14. Okay, 9 plus 9 n power 9 plus n power 3 will be, the power will be 12. 6 plus 1 will be 7. The power will be 7 in this case. 9 divided by 4. Whenever there is a division sign, we will subtract. 9 minus 4 will be 5. The power will be 5. R6 divided by R3. The answer will be R power 3. Because whenever there is a division sign, we will minus them. T minus 2 will be 5. The power of t will be 5. Whenever there is bracket, we'll multiply the power. 7 into 3 will be 21. 2 in part H, 2 into 5 will be 10. 3 into 4 will be 12. Is Z power 12. Now as they are adding, 3 plus 2 will be 5t7. Whenever there is a plus sign, we will not add the power. we will add the powers only when there is a multiplication sign. Because of this positive sign, we are not adding the powers. We will only add the powers when there is a multiplication sign between the variables. So 8 minus 3 will be 5g square. As there is no multiplication sign, so we are not adding or subtracting the powers. In part L, 3, 8 and 5, 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 minus 5 will be 3 plus 1 will make 4h, and 4 minus 5 will be minus h power 9. This will be 4h power 9 minus h power 9. Whenever we have different sign, we subtract, and 4 minus 5 will be minus h power 9. So we are done with question number 2. Now we'll move to question number 3. Question number 3 is basically an activity based question, and you can solve this question by your own. In this they are saying, but I'll help you out in this. They are saying that if there is an expression x2 divided by x2, what will be the answer? X2 divided by x2. So the answer should be, when you will cancel these, the answer should be equal to 1. So the boy is saying the answer is 0 and the girl is saying the answer is x, but this girl is saying the answer is 1. So this girl is, I think it's Sophia. Sophia is saying 1 is okay. So 1 is the answer for this question. So now we'll move to question number 4. In question number 4, they are saying this is part of Kia's homework. Use Kia method to simplify these expressions. You have to simplify these expressions by using this method. In this method, she multiplied the constants 3 with 6, that will make 18, 6, 3 the 18, and added the powers. 2 plus 4 will be 6. So by using her method, we can solve these expressions. 3x squared plus 9x cubed, the answer will be 6x power 5. 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12y 9. 6 into 5 will be 30 z 7. 2 into 2 into 4 m powers will be added, there will be 7. 4 into 1 will be 4 and 6 plus 7 will be 13. And the last part is 1 multiplied by 8 will be 8, and p power will be added. 2 plus 1, when there is no power, we'll assume there is 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So the question number 4 is done. Now we will move to question number 5. Question number 5 is also an activity based question, and question number 5 part A is learner's own answers. Part B you have to answer by your own, and part C you have to answer it by your own. So you can simplify these questions by your own. Now we'll move to question number 6. We have to simplify these expressions. As I already told you that whenever there is division sign, we have to minus the powers, and whenever there is multiplication signs, we have to add powers. In question number 6, all questions are with division signs, so we just simply divide them. 6 q10 divided by 2q6. So the answer will be 6 divided by 2 will be 3, and q divided by q, 10 minus 6 will be q power 4. So the answer of question number 6 part A is q3 q4. Okay, now 9rq divided by 3r5. 9 divided by 3 will be 3, and 9 minus 5 will be r power 4. In part C, 15 divided by 5 will be 3, and in T, 7 minus 1 will be 6. 8 divided by 4 will be 2, and U, 7 minus 2 will be 5. 2 divided by 1 will be 2, and V power 6 minus 2 will be 4. 5 divided by 1 will be 5, and W minus 6, 7 minus 6 will be 1. So it's up to you. You can write 1 or you can ignore 1. The answer will be 5 power W. Question number 7. You have to simplify these expression and you have to select which part is correct and which you have to choose the best answer. Simplify 6 over 12. 6 is divisible, 12 is divisible by 6 at the table of 1. So 6 to the 12, it will be 2, and it will be 1 over 2. 6 minus 3 will be positive x3. So the answer will be D, 1 over 2 x power 3. In, in expression B, 4 over 10. 4 and 10 are divisible by on the table of 2. 4, 2 to the 4 and 2 5 the 10. So 2 over 5, 2 over 5 and 8 minus 2 will be 6. So 2 over 5 and 2 over 5 and y power 6. This is the answer. Part C, 25 over 15 is divisible on 5 table, 5 5s are and 5 3 does. So 5 over 3 and in power 3 minus 2 only k. 5 over 3 k. So the answer is C. 20 and 6 is divisible by on 2's table, 2 tens are and 2 3 the. 10 over 3 and 10 over 3. Further, you can convert them into mixed fractions. 6 minus 6 will be m into 6 minus 6, that will be 0. So m power 0. Whenever there is a 0, power is 0, the answer will be 1. So there will be no m, there will be simply 1. So 1 multiplied by 10 by 3, and you can simplify that 10 by 3 like this. 10 as a numerator, 3 as a divider, 3 3 the 9, 1 is remainder. So you can write them in a mixed fraction form, 3 into 1 remainder over 3. So the answer will be B of question number of part D. Now we will move to question number 8. In question number 8, they are saying Marcus and Arun simplify the expression 3x 2 power cube. Read what they say. Marcus say, I think the answer is 3x6, and Arun says the answer is 27x power 6. Who is correct, Marcus or Arun? Okay, whenever there is bracket, you have to first solve the bracket, and the effect of that power will be on every element in the bracket. So 3 cube, we will take 3 cube, cube of 3, that will be 27. The cube of 3 will be 27, and the power of x is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. So Arun is right, because the power impact goes on every element in the bracket. So Marcus is wrong. So by using this method, we have to simplify part B of question number 8. Simply, we have to take square of 4 and this x5. The square of 4 is 16, and x will be 5 into 2 x power 10. Okay, now cube of 5 will be 125, and y power 4 in multiplied by 3 will be y power 12. 2 raised to power 4 will be 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16, and z is equal to 7 into 4 will be 7 4s are 28. Okay, now move to question number 9. You can solve this activity by your own. They are saying just you have to find the pairs which can make 36xw. So I'll help you out in one of them. You can say that 6x power 6 square. So the square of 6 will be 36, and 6 multiplied by 2 will be x power 12. So you can find such type of expression which can help you out to complete this spider. Now we'll move to question number 9. Simplify these expression. Write your answer using a negative power and a fraction. Part A has been done for you. In this question they are saying you have to express first in power, in negative power, then you have to express in fraction. Suppose 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 will be q power minus 3. Now they already showed it in negative form. To make it positive, whenever you have to show your power in positive sign, you just take inverse of it. So q minus 1 over 3, when you take an inverse of it, it will be 1 over q power 3. If you bring it back above, it will be again become q minus 3. So simply to make your answer positive, your power positive, you just switch it, you just take inverse of it. So 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2 in negative form, and in fraction form you will write 1 over r power 2. In question number part C, t7 minus 12 will be minus 5 in negative power form. In fraction form you will write 1 over t power 5. Okay, 6 minus 7 will be v power minus 1. To make it positive, to write it in a fraction form, you will write 1 over v. You don't need to write 1. If you want to write 1, you can write, but without 1 it's okay. So you wrote these answers in negative power and in fraction as well as. Now we'll move to question number 10. In question number 10, they are saying you have to match these squares with the ovals given. Match these rectangles. 6 rectangles are given over here. You have to match these rectangles with these ovals. So in question number A, 5 y power 6 divided by 10 y power 8. It will match with 3. This is A as answer. You can tell it 5 divided by 10 will be 1 over 5, 1 over 2, and 6 minus 8 will be 2 in the denominator. 3 divided by 9 will be 1 over 3, and 2 minus 7 will be 5. So it will be 4 1 over 3. This is B. Okay. For C, 4 divided by 6, that will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is in 1. Okay, you have 1. Then 4 minus 8 will be 4. So this is C. For D, 9 over 12, you will simplify it. 9 comes into 3 table. 9 3 the 3 9s are 3, and 3 3s are 9s, and 3 4s are. So 3 over 4 is the expression goes for part D, and it will be this one, because 4 minus 7 will be 3. Then for E part, 15 over 10, you can say that simplify by 5 table, it will be 3 over 2, 3 over 2 goes to 6 1. 3 over 2, because 2 minus 6 will be 4. So this is E. And for F15 divided by 12, 15 and 12 divided by on 3 tables, that will be 5 over 4. 5 over 4 is this one, and y minus 3 will be 2, so 5 goes for F part. Now we'll move to the questions. What are they saying in the question? They are saying match each rectangle card with the correct oval card. We already done that. There is one oval card left. Write an expression that simplifies to give the expression on this card. And this is left, so we can form an expression like this. It's up to you. You can give any expression to solve this. But okay. So we are done with exercise 2.3. Now we'll continue with 2.4 in our next video. Thank you.